how to check your BIOS version in Windows 11. In order to check the BIOS version on Windows 11, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do to check your BIOS version is first of all go to the search bar and just type in system information. Once you type in system information, simply launch the system information option right there, and you'll find all these different options where you can see BIOS mode is right here. I have got a UEFI type of BIOS mode, and the BIOS version is AMIF.28,8, and you can see all the date and so on as well. So this is your BIOS version, which you can easily locate within the system information tab of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts as to how you can find your BIOS version, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. If this video helped you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.